So if you're struggling to create content that is search engine optimized, that has the highest chance of ranking to the top of the search results without breaking the bank, without hiring expensive copywriters and content creators, this video is for you. Hey guys, my name is Ryan Cruz from Traffic Starter, where I help content creators like you get more clicks and higher rankings using SEO and PPC strategies without breaking the bank. Okay, so let's dive right into it. You're probably thinking of phrase and you're probably wondering whether it's for you or not. So before you continue with this video, I highly recommend that you follow me as I use this tool so that you can follow along. You can learn by yourself by actually doing it. So there's a link in this video description, or go to trafficsala.com/go/phrase, and that will allow you to sign up via my affiliate link. Or you can also scan the QR code within this video. So sign up for a free trial if you want to check it out. But let's dive right in. I'll show you how to use it. Now, before we start using phrase, we need to know with what keyword or topic we would like to write on. And you don't want to use like any random keyword that comes on top of your mind. You want to use a keyword research tool. I use SE ranking. You can also use SEMrush. You can also use low fruits if you prefer that option. So there are links in this video description if you want to check it out. But I want to show you SE ranking. So what I have here is I just have like a quick permutation of some keyword ideas, and I have the keyword difficulty set at a maximum of 10. And this would allow me to get ideas on which keyword has really low competition. So the idea is really simple. I want to create an article that would rank to the top of the search results in a very quick way. If they start ranking to the top 5 pages and they start ranking into the top 50 spots, then I go back in and then do further optimization of the article, make sure that I'm not keyword stuffing, all of those stuff. But initially, what I would like to do is once I find a keyword that has low keyword difficulty, I use phrase to create that content quickly, publish it on my WordPress website, get it indexed, and then check out the rankings. If it's above 50 or more, I don't really do anything yet. I wait for a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months. If it starts to get traction, then I go back and re-edit it, add those videos, add images, anything that is kind of relevant to make it rank higher. So this way, I'm testing out if this particular keyword is too competitive and if my website even has a chance of actually getting to the top pages. Because if it's only getting to like page 5 or page 4, it's never gonna get traffic, which is what's happening to a lot of people. And if it's not going to get traffic anyway, I would just remove it later on, because again, you don't want a lot of teen content on your website because that can negatively affect your search engine optimization. Okay, so I've found here a keyword that I would like to target, and that is how to learn SEO and PPC. I think that's perfect for my blog, Traffic Salad, where I teach people how to get more clicks and higher rankings without breaking the bank. So check out my website and check out the newsletter if you want to get weekly updates on case studies, tips, and tutorials that I share inside my newsletter. There's 3 options here: SEO workflow, blank document, and then AI article wizard. Initially, I'll use the AI article wizard, and then once it starts getting traction from the search engines, I'll go back, use the SEO workflow to create a much better, more manual type of keyword and content creation, but it now has a higher chance of ranking to the top search result. So that is my process, and type in my search query. So I want to briefly check if there are any. Okay, perfect. So and then I'll generate the title. Okay, so it doesn't have the keyword that I would like to target. So I'll give you a quick formula on how to do this SEO titles. My formula is actually really simple. It's these 3 sections here. So I want to add the keyword in the first part as much as possible, and that is how to learn SEO and PPC. Okay, who are my audience? For beginners. Okay, for creators, content creators. Okay, so benefit, you can add a couple of benefits, but for this example, because there is a max character limit for SEO titles and meta descriptions, I'll leave this as is for now. Now, the next section is where phrase identifies what's called LSI, or latent semantic index keywords. And these are relevant topics that you would like to include in your article, because these are keywords that the search engines are looking for in order to understand what your content is all about. So you have the option to add more topics. I will leave this as is for now. Just make sure there are no brand names here. There's not a topic that is not related, but for my example, everything looks great. I'll click next. Now you want to generate the outline. You can obviously do this manually, but for the sake of saving time and for what I initially do, this is what I use. I just use whatever the AI has generated. And now you want to generate instructions with AI. And what it does is that it allows you to populate what's in those sections or in those headers. So, for example, here, understanding SEO and PPC. So, it kind of talks about how and why this is important, the importance of SEO and PPC. Okay, perfect. Investing in both allows content creators to reach potential customers. Perfect. Yeah. So this is basically the idea is you want to build your organic traffic, but that takes a lot of time. But you can already reach potential customers through the use of paid ads or pay-per-click campaigns. Okay. So it's populating that. We'll wait for this for a couple of minutes. I'll pause this video for now and we'll go back once this is done. Okay, so now that it's saved and it's completed, I need to add what's called an article level instruction, and this will be applied to all the headings in this article. So I would just give some directions here. So be clear and concise. Okay, so I just give it a quick article level instruction. Hopefully it would apply. And let's click next. Tone of voice, let's change it to convincing. There it is. And then it's going to start writing this article. And let's just again wait for a couple of minutes for this to be completed. Okay, so this article has now been completed. I'll click the review AI article button here and save the document. And let's click the start button here so that we'll know the SEO score. There you have it. So it's 87%. Let's look into the average score is 37, which is awesome. So that means that our content is actually optimized. Click the status here, click into in progress, and then if you add more keywords here, that score just gets higher. So let's see if we can add. So let's see if we can add a couple of these keywords. Gonna just want to show you. Okay, so yeah, to see how that is removed because I added this keyword. So social media marketing methods. So that's basically how you increase your score. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that you need to get to 100%. Usually, once you get higher than the average score of your competitors, that's all you need to do. But in this case, everything looks good. Now, I wouldn't be editing it because again, uh, I want to publish this as is. Just maybe do a quick check on some content, make sure that there's no false information out there. But since this is like a generic advice, I want to quickly see first if this is going to get traction in Google. So once I publish it on my website, which I'm going to do right now, okay, so I'm going to copy and publish it. Oh, it copied the green one. So we want to remove, we want to go to the outline here so it doesn't include that green highlights. And then there you have it. So it includes everything that we need. Okay. So I'm gonna publish this right away. I'm gonna make sure it's published in the right category. So I want it to go on under SEO. Okay, and then I click publish. And there you have it. So what's gonna happen is Google will index this, and right away I'll know if there's a chance for this keyword to be on the top spots. So what will happen is if it's less than the top 50 spots, so 50, rank 50 and below, I will go back and re-optimize this, spend more time making sure that I've added images, I've added videos. But if it's not even on the top 100 spots, I wouldn't really bother. I'll wait probably a couple more weeks or a couple more months. But if nothing happens after like 3 months or 6 months, I would just remove this content right away, because again, you don't want thin content on your website. So what do you do if you start ranking for this keyword? Let's say once you publish this, it starts getting like on the top 50 spots of the search engine. So you need a rank tracking software to be able to do that. Or you can also check in manually. What you want to do is, again, start optimizing it using Phrase. Now, if you sign up for Phrase via my affiliate links, sign up for a paid plan, right? I'll send you that free video, the next video, the continuation of this video, wherein how do I optimize now that particular article to make sure it has the best chance of getting into the top 10 or to 20 results on Google. So that's a bonus video for those who's going to sign up via my affiliate link. So check out the link below this video. I'll also detail more incentives, as well as a couple more bonus trainings on SEO as well as PPC, so that you'll be able to get more traffic and get more clicks and higher rankings to your website. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like, click the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video.